The E03 error code on a Bush washing machine indicates that the machine is not draining water or has not drained water within its allocated time, serving as a warning sign of a clogged drain pipe or filter pump. The drain pipe, which is the conduit where water ejects from the machine after each spin cycle, can become blocked due to wear and tear, resulting in the E03 error. Other common causes of this error include a clogged filter, which can occur over time as debris from clothes accumulates, and faulty wiring, which can prevent the machine from having enough pressure to pump out the water. To fix the E03 error, several solutions can be applied. First, inspecting the drainage hose can help determine if the problem lies with the hose. This involves locating the drain pipe at the back of the machine, disconnecting it, and checking for blockages. If any blockages are found, they should be removed, and the pipe should be reconnected and repositioned to ensure it has no bends. If the drain pipe is not the issue, the next step is to clean out the pump filter. To do this, the water inlet tap should be closed, and a towel should be placed in front of the filter cover to catch any spilling water. The filter cover should then be opened by tilting it anti-clockwise, and any debris trapped in the filter should be removed using a soft brush. The filter should be flushed with clean water before being replaced. Additionally, fixing faulty wiring may be necessary, which may require the help of a professional. A technician can ensure that all pipes are properly installed. Regular maintenance of the washing machine is also crucial, including washing the machine with the proper detergent every 3 to 4 weeks and removing any items that may have fallen into the machine drum, as these can lead to blockages. By following these steps, the E03 error can be resolved, and the washing machine can function properly again.